If your deck surface is all wonky and uneven, it's probably because the ground settled or the installation wasn't done right, and fixing that can make your outdoor hangout way better. So, first thing you want to do is check if the frame of your deck is level, because if it's off, the boards won't sit right either. Use a good level tool to spot the high and low spots on the frame. If the frame is uneven, you gotta re-level it by adjusting the posts or adding shims where needed. After that, look at each deck board to see if they're bowed or loose. Those need to be replaced or screwed down tight. Sometimes, the ground underneath settles over time, so you might have to dig around and add some gravel or concrete to stabilize those posts. Don't forget to check for any rot or damage while you're at it, because that messes with stability too. Once everything is nice and level, screw the boards back on securely so they don't shift again. Taking these steps can totally save your deck from being a tripping hazard and make it feel solid as a rock. One of the biggest mistakes people make with uneven decks is ignoring the foundation. That post-settling issue is super common and causes all the wobbling. Fix it by reinforcing or resetting your posts with concrete or gravel for better support. Another problem is not using proper tools like a level or straight edge, which makes it hard to tell if things are truly even. Always use these tools for accuracy. Also, lots of folks skip checking for rot or damaged wood, but that weakens your deck frame big time. Swap out any bad wood before re-leveling to avoid future problems. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know how to fix stuff like uneven decks without breaking the bank. It also hooks up contractors with real work from people who need their skills, making the whole process easier for everyone.